G'day, I'm Gilmour from KCK Lubricants, and today we're in the workshop with a bit of a restoration project. This is the Dallara F306, the ex-Gilmour Racing car, and for me it's probably the most successful car that Gilmour Racing has ever campaigned. Generated a lot of great results and catapulted a lot of young drivers into fantastic careers both here and overseas. But probably more than that for me, this is the car that really made Gilmour Racing Formula 3 what it is today. And not only built the career of Chris Gilmour, who had many great results and championship wins in this car, but also my father, Errol Gilmour, really saw him develop as an engineer and a chassis tuner. Having learnt what he had learnt with previous cars and previous generations of the Dallara, really was able to apply all his knowledge to this car to make it work really well and highlight a lot of the benefits of this car. It's slipperier aerodynamically, not as much downforce, but also not as much drag. So if you could get the chassis to work spot on, it was as fast as anything else on the track, but able to race a whole lot better. This car's had a lot of liveries, a lot of incarnations as different sponsors have come with different drivers. And this was the McDonald's car for many years. We lost the car as part of the sponsorship deal with McDonald's. And just recently the car's come back up for sale. Chris Gilmour's jumped on it and he wants it back to how he drove it when he won his championship. So we're going to go through, we're going to strip it down. We're just going to fix up the tub, get a lot of paintwork redone. It's just got stone chips and a few little blemishes. Just road use. Mechanically, it's really good. Brook Motorsports had it for a little bit of time and has really brought everything else back up to scratch. But it's just up to us now to get the aesthetics spot on and get it ready for Chris Gilmour to jump back in the seat and have a drive at Queensland Raceway in just a few weeks. So we've really got to get into it and make it happen. Where are we today? We're in KCK Racing Australia headquarters. We've actually got a lot of cool projects going on here, and I hope we can spend some more time in here and we can run you through some of the stuff we do with the different sedans and different race cars we work on. We don't just work on the open wheelers, we've got quite a variety of cars in here. So we're going to get into this one today. We'll get it set up, we'll strip it down, get it off to the paint shop, and we'll get on with a few minor carbon fibre repairs, but not too much at all, and we'll get it looking how it used to look. Just about done. We'll get a little bit more of suspension off the front, but for what we need to fix up, we've probably got enough. We were thinking about pulling the engine off the back, but we really don't want to pull stuff off that we don't have to. We are a bit pushed for time, and basically all we're fixing is just the stone chips and the general wear and tear from running the car. It hasn't copped a hit, and sometimes if they break front suspension arms, it'll gouge it into the tub. But as far as no carbon fibre repairs, just stone chips, just a tidy up. We've got all the panels off, we've stripped them down, pulling heaps of stickers off, so we're on top of that. While we've got it apart, we'll clean everything up, we'll probably put wheel bearings in it and that sort of stuff. So We'll get this panels off to the paint shop. The painter still tells horror stories of the old man making him weigh the paint before he puts it on. Don't put it on any more than you need to. So we'll keep up tradition. We'll tell him the same thing. But this will be the first video. Hopefully we'll do a few more as the car panels come back and as we do some more maintenance. But stay up to date with what's going on. Make sure you subscribe. Give it a thumbs up if you like it. And we'll see you next time.